The latest trends of cloud, mobile and IoT have increased the importance of security and risk management. Last year at Sibos conference, many experts have argued that financial services should be more concerned about the threat of cyber attacks than fintech. The market of cybersecurity products and services is growing. In terms of revenue, North America and Europe are the leading cybersecurity markets. The Asia Pacific is rapidly emerging as a potential market for cybersecurity solution providers. Cloud security, endpoint security, insider threat management, threat persistent, IoT and managed services are the latest cybersecurity market trends. The cybersecurity market is divided into different segments: network security, endpoint security, application security, content security, cloud security, and wireless security. In terms of broader definition, network security is about protecting a network's usability, reliability, integrity, and safety of its data. The endpoint security is about protecting the network of an organization when remote devices are accessing it. The application and mobile application security are those set of measures that are needed throughout the code's life cycle so that any kind of defect in design, development, deployment, upgrade or maintenance of application cannot affect the security policy. The content security is concerned with email and web content security. It is needed to protect the organizations from intellectual property damage, corrupted data, loss of productivity, and exposure to legal liability. The wireless security, as it sounds, is about preventing the unauthorized access or damage to computers using wireless networks. These days, the wireless mouse vulnerability is a big concern because few days back, a US-based startup warns of potential risk in using non-Bluetooth wireless mouse. The cloud security is about protecting the data, the application, and the infrastructure associated with cloud computing. It's a growing market. The Cloud Security Market Report by Markets and Markets predicts that this market will size nearly $9 billion by 2019. In terms of solutions, the cybersecurity market is divided into different sub-markets. Let's take a look. And in terms of services, the cybersecurity market is divided into consulting, design and implementation, risk and threat assessment, managed services, and training and education. Few days back, Micro Market Monitor publishes a report. This report provided the revenue and growth forecast by international region. According to this report, the Europe cybersecurity market is expected to reach $35.53 billion by 2019. This market contributes 25.95% of the global market. The Middle East and Africa cybersecurity market is expected to reach $13.43 billion by 2019. This market contributes 7.19% of the global market. The Asia Pacific cybersecurity market is expected to reach $32.95 billion by 2019. And this market contributes 17.21% of the global market. And the Latin America cybersecurity market is expected to reach $11.91 billion by 2019, and this market contributes 5.18% of the global market. At RSA conference, Mr. Mark D. McLaughlin, CEO at Palo Alto Networks, has said, "The government needs to teach its citizens, the parents needs to teach their children, and the employers needs to teach their employees about the hygiene in the digital age." I agree with this because the knowledge of hygiene is crucial for everyone. The prospects of cybersecurity market are bright and encouraging, and I share the detail of each of these segments in the next part of this series.